prezentuje.
Empty spaces, what are we living for? Abandoned places, I guess we know